All right, hello everybody, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy, and I had one of my Facebook friends want to see this machine. This is an old antique Yale key machine, and he wanted to see it in action. I totally refurbished it, cleaned it, polished it, adjusted it, calibrated it. I'm going to hold it down since this is, I have one over there on a box, but I didn't want to get it off the top there. So we mount it, we're going to hold it down with some vice grips, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut a key. You bring the shoulder up. I have them cut right here, right together. And now we're going to go ahead and see if we can cut a key using, oh, this is the problem. Let's see. There we go. Boy, what a way to cut this, huh? This ain't no easy way to do it here. Should have this string screwed down, but I wasn't going to screw it down onto my... And by cutting, turning the rod oil and moving the key, you're actually able to cut a key out. This is actually the first time I've ever cut a key like this. We're actually going to lose the machine. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and pull that key out. Look at that. Boy. Let's see if it... There it is. It actually cut the fucking key. Look at that. There you go. Needs to be filed off. But the key does, in fact, work. So we got to run that on a... There it is. There it is. There's your key. You got it.